Hi, I'm Chef George Mendez and I'm the owner and executive chef of Ohio Japanese Comfort Food. I also have Tadeo Filipino-Mexican Comfort Food, which is located in Quezon City. I also have other concepts like Bird Tubs and Hatch Manila, which is located also in Quezon City as well. I've been a chef for 10 years and doing a food consultancy for quite a while. At this very moment, I'm very excited because I'll be using world-class quality and reliable Koizumi kitchen appliances. So join me and let's create a delicious yet very easy recipes using Koizumi small kitchen appliances.
I'm gonna have this barbecue, halo-halo, and kini lang.
Kini. Okay po. Anything else po?
Okay na. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Hi guys, since summer na, we will create a recipe na favorite ng lahat and bagay na bagay sa mga outing and grab-and-go food. And this is cheeseburger. Tara, let's cook it using Koizumi grill pot. So now let's cook cheeseburger. So for our cheeseburger, the ingredients we're going to use are, syempre we have here brioche buns or burger buns, pickled onions, cheese sauce, fresh white onion, tomato, mayo mix. We have here ketchup and mayonnaise. For our beef patty, we have Angus Fat and regular ground beef. So for our beef patty, let's just mix our regular ground beef. For this one, that's 10% fat. And then Angus Fat. So mix ko lang siya. Then after, set aside lang natin. Hindi tayo maglalagay ng eggs or breadcrumbs. Then yung fat yung magiging binder natin for our beef patty. Set aside natin. So let's mix lang our Japanese mayo and ketchup. Set aside. So open na natin yung induction cooker natin. Into medium heat. Since may fat na tayo kanina and we want our burger na maluto dun sa sarili niyang fat, hindi tayo mag-add ng oil. Season with salt on top. So each side, lulutuin ko lang siya ng 2 minutes. Dun sa first side, 2 minutes, and then another side, 2 minutes. Pero pag nasa second side na ako or another side na ako, tsaka ko siya tatakpan para mag-steam yung loob ng meat natin. So by the way guys, Koizumi induction cooker is 2000 watts. Very easy to use. Glass cover top surface, easy to wipe off dirt and clean. Maximum weight is up to 3 kilos including the pot. Metal uses aluminum alloy, good durability and corrosion resistance. So after 2 minutes, okay na yung burger natin. Set aside lang natin and then rest natin. Add onions. Sweat lang. No need to add oil. And then set aside. Then for our buns, spread some butter lang and then toast. So kung mapapansin nyo, hindi na ako nagpalit ng pan para makuha ko lahat ng flavors. So until toast lang siya. Other side, yung bottom. So now let's assemble our burger. So let's plate our burger. Let's get our plate in our Koizumi dish dryer. So there you have it, our cheeseburger.